Most beginners host their projects the wrong way, and it's the absolute fastest way to get ignored. If you're building projects in 2026, listen to me. These are the platforms you actually need to use. Number 5, GitHub Pages. Simple, clean, reliable. Use it for your portfolios. Number 4, Netlify. You push your code and boom, your front end is live. No excuses. Number 3, Vercel. This is the gold standard. If you're building with Next.js, you belong here. Number 2, Render. This is where the real work happens. A P is servers, databases. It's a powerhouse. And number 1, Railway. It's beginner friendly, it's incredibly powerful, and it is the only choice for real-world projects. Save this right now. If you are actually serious about